Did you hit your head? Got him. It didn't hurt? That's good. It always hurts when I do it. So we're in the garage again today with the Toyota FJ. Really, my body's sitting like 5 inches up higher because of my setup. So the problem coming across is flex now. You see how my rear sway bar is angled up towards the front? It needs to be more level. So I took off the one on the driver's side. We're gonna get started on that right now. It was pretty easy. I'm not gonna give you the bolt or measurement or Allen key sizes because this is an aftermarket part, and I think they're about a wrench size or two off compared to the stock. But basically that's all I used was 2 different wrenches and an Allen key to get it off. It's super easy. I went to Home Depot and picked up this round 2 plane, 1/2 inch by 1/16 by 36 inch long. I didn't need the whole 36 inches. Obviously I'm going to extend it 2 inches, and I'm probably going to cut a 4-inch piece off. But that's what it looks like on the inside. It's hollow, and what I'm going to do is cut this in half. I'm going to cut it in half and slide this over as a sleeve on one side and on the other, and it just extend it by 2 inches and weld it back together. Spray paint it and put it back on. And that's how we're going to extend our rear sway bar links 2 more inches for only 16 bucks. Let's get to welding. So before we get back into the video, I'd like to encourage you to like and subscribe. It always helps out the channel and helps you put more content out there and lets me know exactly what you like and what you don't like. Back to the video. First thing we're going to do is find a good middle point, probably right about right there, and just whack it in half. So there's a better look at it. I took my magnet and measured 1 inch of the rod inserted into the tubing, and it looks like it's pretty good. It's ready for welding. I'll just put a little tack on there and take the magnet off and then finish the weld. And yeah, that's where we're at so far. And before we start welding, I just want to let you know, if you're watching this right now and you're saying, man, I can't do welding, I'm not good at that, I don't have a welder. Man, I wasn't either probably 6 months ago. I picked up this 80 amp inverter. It's like a lunchbox welder. It'll do up to 70 amps. I welded my pegs onto my dirt bike when I broke them. Saved me a ton of money. This thing has made its money back. Right now, you're looking at welder, some sticks. You're gonna need one of these little cool little hammers, and like a wire brush and some magnets. And I'm like $200 in, and this thing has just, I've done work on my house. So I really encourage you to look into it and learn how to weld on your own. I taught myself just by watching some YouTube videos. So that's what my welds look like before I grind them down. And that's what she looks like after I've grinded it down. So here's another comparison. The one on the left is the stock OEM for the rear sway bar. That measures in at about 7.5, and mine is about 9 3/4. All right, so we got them both extended for the rear sway bar, and we're going to go ahead and just install now. I think I'll need to put the bushing first, right? A little excited, a little excited. This is a cool little DIY that actually worked out for me this time, so. Yeah, so I went 2 1/4 on this rear 5-inch lift. Really it's like a 4-inch lift because I got 33. See that stock tires are what, 31s? So there's an inch right there from the tires, and the rest is from the springs. I'm telling you, these Icon dual rate 3-inch lift springs, they're not 3-inch lift springs, they're 4-inch. And they already settled in. So last Christmas I hauled a trailer, and I had that trailer hooked up for a whole 4 days, and it finally got the rear end to settle down 1/4 of an inch, because I had been measuring it from the time I left with the trailer to the time that I got back to the house. Well, there you have it. A couple hours and some $16 tubing from Home Depot, and you can have yourself your own extended sway bar links for your FJ Cruiser. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we'll be back with another one when we install some bump stop spacers for the rear axle. Y'all have a good one. See you later. All right, there we go. There's a look at it right there. That is nice. It's about, let's see, at least 2 fingers from the lower control arm. About 2.5 fingers. Man, that's just awesome that I was able to do that and not blow $100 on a pair. Let's get the other one installed.